Basically we wanted a new roof because with the old one, in the winter we couldn't use this place at all, only for storing beer and things. Couldn't use it basically for dining or anything. And in summer it was so hot we couldn't keep plants in here. Candles that my wife had in here melted because it got that hot. So we decided in the end we'd do something about it. And the wife looked online and found TWS were fairly local, just outside Leeds. And yeah, we phoned them up and asked them to come around and give us a quote. We looked at a couple of companies in Leeds, but we thought TWS were offering guarantees and paperwork. Well, yeah, paperwork that guaranteed the roof and said that it was an extension rather than a conservatory. So yeah, we invited them down to get a quote from them. The engineer came down first and looked at it and gave us a quote, and we asked him if he could take the big doors out, and he said, yeah, would that be included? He said, yep, we'll do all that. We'll take away the rubbish. We'll be as clean as we can. He gave us a date and a time. They were very punctual. They came on the correct date, the correct time. The first day they said they'd remove the roof and put the new one on, which they did. And the second day they took the doors out and, well, yeah, plastered everywhere. And, well, left a really, really good job. I mean, the step down there, that wasn't part of the work, but they actually came with a carpenter and put a wooden step in to level off the two floors. And they were very clean, very polite, and very punctual and on time. Excellent, it's brilliant. You know, we should have had this done years ago. It really does do its job. Last year in the winter, we had no problems with the cold. We couldn't, well, as you see, we've got no doors now. It's the same temperature all the way through. In the summer, before we had to have these doors open to let some air in and keep the other doors closed, so the heat stayed in this side. Now, there's no problem. We don't have to have that door open at all. It just stays the same temperature all the way through. This is our dining room now, yeah. It's the best thing we ever did. And like I say, the girls on the phone, they were really good. They phoned us up after the job, see if we were satisfied, and this is the blokes who left the place clean. They sent us the paperwork, the guaranteed for 10 years. Also the paperwork stating that it's now classed as an extension, not just a conservatory. Brilliant all the way through. And yeah, we'd use them again. Well, we have used them again to have the windows done. And we're thinking next year maybe we'll get front doors done, and we're going to go back to TWS because, like I said, they're punctual, they're very well priced, and they do a good job and a clean job.